और इस वक्त बड़ी खबर आरबीआई के हवाले से आ रही है। आरबीआई ने बड़ी राहत दी है। रेपो रेट में 0.25% की कटौती की गई है। रेपो रेट घटकर अब 5.15% हो गया है। रिवर्स रेपो रेट घटकर 4.90% हुआ। तो इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर आपको दे रहे हैं आरबीआई के हवाले से। गहरे मंदी के बीच इस वक्त आरबीआई ने राहत दी है। रेपो रेट में 0.25% की कटौती की गई है। रेपो रेट घटकर अब 5.1% पहुंच गया है। वहीं रिवर्स रेपो रेट घटकर अब 4.90% हुआ है।
Are becoming increasingly accommodative in their monetary policy stances, aided by benign inflation conditions. With regard to domestic economy, the slump in real GDP growth to 5% in the first quarter of 1920 has been followed by generally weaker high-frequency indicators for the second quarter. Industrial production was lower in July 2019 on a year-on-year basis, pulled down mainly by manufacturing. The production of capital goods and consumer durables contracted. The output of 8 core industries contracted in August, with production of coal, electricity, crude oil and cement decelerating or going into contraction. The manufacturing PMI for September 2019 was flat, though still in expansion zone. High frequency indicators suggest that services sector activity weakened in July-August. Indicators of rural and urban demand continued to slow down in July and August. The Reserve Bank's Consumer Confidence Survey also shows weak consumer sentiment, especially relating to non-essential items. On the positive side, there has been a rapid catch-up in the southwest monsoon rainfall after an initial delay in its onset. By September 30th, 2019, the cumulative all India rainfall surpassed the long period average by 10%, while the first advance estimates of major kharif crops for 2019-20 are only 0.8% lower than last year's fourth advance estimates. The prospects for Rabi 2019 season have brightened, with live storage of water in major reservoirs as on September 26, 2019 being 115% of the live storage of the corresponding period of the previous year and 121% of average storage level over the last 10 years. Abundant rains in August and September has also led to improved soil moisture conditions in most parts of the country. Overall, Indian agriculture is well positioned to lead the recovery, which augurs well for rural employment and income and the revival of domestic demand. In the industrial sector, consumer non-durables, intermediate goods have posted sustained expansion during 2019-20 so far and have emerged as potential growth drivers. Moreover, manufacture and construction sector activity look somewhat better in August as per the IIP data.
आरबीआई की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आप देख रहे थे, जिसमें कई चीजों का जिक्र किया गया। आरबीआई ने इस हवाले से राहत दी है। आपको बता दें कि रेपो रेट में 0.25% कटौती की गई है। रेपो रेट घटकर अब 5.1% हो गया है। जबकि रिवर्स रेपो रेट की बात करें तो रिवर्स रेपो रेट घटकर 4.90% हुआ है। तो कुछ देर पहले आरबीआई की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आप सुन रहे थे। आरबीआई ने राहत दी है लोगों को। रेपो रेट में 0.25% की कटौती की गई है।